Do you want to lose fat and build muscle both at the same time? Most people think this is impossible. They think you have to be bulking or cutting. But the science is clear. You can do both. This is called body recomposition. As an A certified trainer, I am going to show you exactly how to change your body shape without starving yourself. Okay, I am giving you a simple 3-step plan to muscle up and fat down. Step 1. Don't starve yourself. The biggest mistake is eating too little. If you stop eating, your body burns muscle for energy, not just fat. To recomposition, you need to eat at your maintenance calories. This means eating enough to stay the same weight. This gives your body the fuel to lift heavy while it uses your body fat for extra energy. Hi, this is Kamal, a certified personal trainer and nutrition coach. I help busy professionals and entrepreneurs transform their bodies and build strength. If you are ready to start your transformation, then contact me or download my app KFit Hub on iOS or Android. Step 2. Have enough protein. You can't build muscle without the right bricks. For body recomposition, protein is your best friend. You need to aim for roughly 2 grams of protein for every kilo of your weight. High protein doesn't just build muscle, it also keeps you full. So you don't crave junk food. If you are not hitting your protein goals, you are not doing recomposition, you are just dieting. Step 3. Lift weights. You have to give your body a reason to keep its muscle. If you only do cardio, your body will get rid of muscle to become lighter. You must lift weights. Focus on getting stronger every single week. Whether it's adding 1 more kilo or doing 1 more rep, that's a progressive overload. This is what tells your body to stay muscular while the fat melts away. Body recomposition takes patience, but the results are permanent. You won't just look thinner, you will look athletic and strong.